Hi there. We're digging clay by the water. It's secondary clay because it's been traveling by the water, deposited here. And this is what we've got. This is what we've got, a nice chunk of clay. You can tell it's clay because the particles are fine and they're plastic. You can mold them. And we have a little critter. See how that little critter that we molded? Isn't that nice? And that's how you tell it's clay. So, any questions? Write them into Rice Creek and we'll answer them for you. All right, have a great day.
So now that you found your clay, we have it all in here. You got some water in here. You can mix it up to any consistency that you want. Grab any size piece of paper and rub it up against the paper. As Linda started to do, she started making a tree. Also with the tree, you can grab any stick like this and add some details into the tree or anything that you're making. You can also grab some thick clay and imprint some pine trees, leaves, anything like that. So that's all we're doing here. What will you make with your clay?